missed this one. This is almost a perfect RV. Some sucker will buy this. Ooh, but surprise.
And sometimes people don't even realize it. They don't smell it for whatever reason. You don't see it. And you're inhaling all of those fumes, and then people start getting sick. A lot of times it's the little guys because they're a lot smaller than us.
Now your wife's going to be pissed at you when you tell her that, well, I don't know why the kids are sick. I don't get it. It's full of mold. Crystallized mold. Do you see that nice snowflakes that were coming out? Isn't that cool?
It's RV inspection day, and today we are in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, about to inspect this 2016 Navion Winnebago 24J. Now stick around. We don't know what we're going to find. Our customers' fingers are crossed that we find nothing that will prevent them from buying this RV. We'll let you know at the end of the day.
All right, first glimpse. For all of you out there that think you know it all, I appreciate it. But at the same time, you got to understand why we do what we do. When you don't know what you're looking for, you can have all the knowledge in the world and say, well, I can figure this out when you know what's your problem. When I wonder how many smart people are out there that's going to do their own inspection, it wasn't a challenge. I was just stating that it'd be nice if you'd had somebody who has your back. So, well, sometimes thinking we know it all might not pay that off at the end of the road, especially with those kind of units. On this particular unit, for a 16, I can say, okay, it's still in one piece, but I can see there's a lot of details already, like the hubcap in the front. There's none on the other side. There's a new one on this side. I can see green water staying there. I can see sealant that's been moving from the front cap to the wall. There's a lot of things that I'm seeing here, and I'm thinking, no, this is going to be a hell of a day. Here's another telltale. Let's go in the back. All right, so right here in the back, we got this piece of tape, which is called Eternabond. When you see that on the rig, you should tell your partner or your teammate that's inspecting, go check the back wall. There might be things that happen. Why would somebody would have put a big ass piece of Eternabond on there? Telltale sign, just remember. I'm just saying, we'll see how the day goes. Let's see you at lunchtime. Let's go check what all has at lunchtime as well.
So come on in for my first glimpse and my Stow and Go. Now in my first glimpse, I'm looking at the driver's seat. And you can see that, you know, the leather has been worn there. I think the person sat there more than they sat anywhere else. And then coming back into the back here, you can see the trim is loose here, but not only is the trim loose there, but we also have this trim here for the slide that is loose and, you know, needs to be attached. As far as the Stow and Go, this is great. It has one slide, which is right here. So as you can see, we have full access to everything, our bed, our bathroom, our fridge, everything. So this is a great Stow and Go. So stick around and we're going to update you at lunch and the end of the day.
Lunchtime recap and end of the day. You remember earlier I talked about
This video is sponsored by Snap Pads, the world's only permanent jack pad. Snap them on once and forget about it. Tired of crawling under the RV just to level up? Get a bigger footprint and a better grip on grass, gravel, pavement, whatever you're parked on. No more slipping, block stacking, storing blocks, and no crawling under your rig. They're not a one-size-fits-all, so head to their website to find the perfect match for your motorhome, fifth wheel, or travel trailer. We'll never own another RV without them. Seriously. And hey, we dropped the discount code in the description just for you. Snap Pads. Snap on, level up.
You remember earlier I talked about the smartass that would buy an RV without an inspection and would have actually missed this one. This is almost a perfect RV. Some sucker will buy this. Ooh, but surprise. Now I'm going to show you, so the next time your husband or you that think that knows it all will try to go underneath and say, oh, I'm going to do like Pierre did. It just happened that we find things like this that because of habit, force of habit, I tend to look at different things than other people. The bathroom floor shower where it comes out. I have access from this place. I can actually put my hand. I can actually feel humidity. Or this cargo door. I open the cargo door. I see nothing. It's a storage. Check this out. Since the beginning, we kind of wondered what could have happened here. We see reading inside. Then you come up into the cargo itself. You can see this white dust. Well, this is actually crystallized mold. So, if I took my pencil and I showed you this, and I don't know if you can see the popcorn in the floor, but that's the wood that's swelled up. So the floor in this section needs to be removed to figure how far in does this damage go. So you bought this. Now your wife's gonna be pissed at you when you tell her that, well, I don't know why the kids are sick. I don't get it. It's full of mold. Crystallized mold. Do you see that nice snowflakes that were coming out? Isn't that cool? Details. I got the bottom of these doors, as you can see, the bottom corner right there. Really, really tight to the point where even the paint is popping out. No big deal. Listen, brand new, this is about what? A couple of $100,000? Yeah, you got money, you got change, you're fine. Why you don't need to protect your assets, do you? Oh, I don't know about you, but we do. We see it differently than you. So, this is a used unit, I get it, but I have this in brand new units. This dent here, that's another one. Or this little hole, something's been dragging on this. I don't know what it is. This is just aesthetic. But what we showed you this morning also is this crack in the rear cap in the back. The rear cap is cracked. The turnabout was put on there. What does that mean? What are you hiding? I don't know. I'm just saying. This is exactly why you need an inspection. Are you sitting at home looking at this industry and thinking, well, maybe I have what it takes to become an inspector? Reach out to us. Fill up the form. Somebody will reach out to you. Let's go check what Lowell has inside.
Okay, so as you know, it's lunchtime and end of the day. We're consolidating everything. Unfortunately, we feel really bad for our customer, and at the same time, we're so happy they were smart enough to hire us and they waited. Would you believe that they actually hired us 4 weeks ago? They knew we were coming here and they said, we want you, and they waited. Unfortunately, what did we find? Very high moisture, mold in the slide floors. And as you know, I check all of my water. Do I have any leaks? Yes, I have leaks in that shower, right? So back here, let me tell you about that shower leak. Let me show you this. So checking for water leaks. Water is hitting the back side of this wall and it is leaking right out here in the corner, as you can see right there. But let's go inside here and see. That's where we're missing sealant. You can see the hole right there. So yeah, they're gonna need to put some more sealant there and prevent that from coming in and rotting that floor. And let me just stand corrected. It's not the slide out floor itself, it's the main floor under the slide out. So this is sliding on top of that main floor that is all rotten, soft with mold. You don't want mold in your RV, guys. That's what causes a lot of health issues. And sometimes people don't even realize it. They don't smell it for whatever reason. You don't see it. And you're inhaling all of those fumes, and then people start getting sick. A lot of times it's the little guys because they're a lot smaller than us. You don't want your kids getting sick. So for us, we're done for today. We are going to actually go meet our customers. We're going to go over what we have found here. We've already talked to them. They said, get out of there. We want to meet you. Let's meet. Let's go over your findings. And so that's how we're going to end our day. And she made sure to tell us we're not done. We're still searching. They are looking for that unicorn, and we're going to hire you, Blue Ox. If you're sitting at home thinking, I think I'd like to become an RV inspector. I want to help people. I want to prevent people from buying money pits. Reach out to Blue Ox, blueoxrvinspection.com, and fill out the form there. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to see you in our next workshop. So remember, and do never forget,
It's not all about the destination, it's all about the journey.